Goodbye, tingling hands and weak legs. 8 collagen-rich snacks you should try. If your hands often tingle, your legs feel wobbly, or your joints don't move as smoothly as they once did, chances are your body is missing something vital. And no, it's not an overpriced supplement or some fancy treatment. It's something as simple as the foods you choose every day. Most people hear collagen and immediately think of skincare or beauty creams. But once you're past 60, collagen becomes much more than that. It's the glue that holds your joints together, keeps your nerves functioning properly, and helps your body move without discomfort. In today's video, I'll show you 8 collagen-packed snacks that can help reduce that tingling in your hands, bring strength back to your legs, and make you feel like yourself again. They're delicious, easy to make, and most importantly, supported by real science to nourish your joints, nerves, and overall energy as you age. Before we dive in, let us know in the comments, what kind of snacks do you usually eat and how old are you? We read every single message and truly enjoy hearing from you. 1. Dark chocolate midnight clusters. Let's start with something that almost sounds too good to be true. Chocolate. But not just any chocolate. We're talking about real dark chocolate, the kind loaded with natural compounds that can help your body heal from within. According to Dr. William Lee, a world-renowned physician and researcher who has spent decades studying how foods can repair the body, dark chocolate with at least 80% cacao is one of his top picks for enhancing collagen and supporting the body's own repair systems. What makes it so remarkable? Dark chocolate is rich in flavanol and proanthocyanidins. Big words, but what they do is simple. They help your body generate new stem cells, reduce inflammation, and protect your DNA from harm. The result? Healthier skin, stronger joints, and a better chance of staying active and independent as you get older. But here's the key. Not all chocolate is beneficial. Those sugary bars near the checkout counter won't help you at all. You want the darkest variety you can find. At least 70–85% cacao with minimal sugar. Try to choose one labeled single origin if possible, since it's often purer and higher in the nutrients your body actually needs. Once you've got the right kind, turning it into a collagen-supporting snack is easy. Melt about 1 ounce of dark chocolate gently. Stir in a handful of roasted almonds and a teaspoon of dried goji berries. Drop small spoonfuls of the mix onto a plate or into molds. Then let them cool until solid. What you'll have is a chewy, rich bite that does much more than satisfy your sweet tooth. The dark chocolate offers antioxidants to protect and restore cells. The almonds supply amino acids for collagen production, and the goji berries add vitamin C to help your body absorb all those nutrients efficiently. It's a snack that feels indulgent but works hard behind the scenes, helping you ease pain, protect your joints, and feel stronger and more balanced every day. 2. Gelatin fruit nibbles. If you've only thought of gelatin as a wobbly dessert, it's time to rethink it. This simple ingredient can do amazing things for your joints, skin, and nerves, especially as you age. Gelatin is basically collagen that's already been broken down, making it easy for your body to absorb and use immediately. It's packed with essential amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, the very same building blocks your body needs to create new collagen and repair tissues. Science supports this too. In one study, people who consume gelatin before exercise experience 37% less joint pain over time. That's not just a small difference. That's the kind of relief that makes walking, moving, and standing up noticeably easier. What makes gelatin even better is how simple it is to turn into a tasty healing treat. No fancy equipment needed. Start with 1 cup of unsweetened fruit juice. Cherry or pomegranate work great since they're rich in antioxidants. Warm it slightly. Don't boil. Then mix in 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin until fully dissolved. Add chopped nuts for healthy fats and some fresh berries for an extra boost of vitamin C, which helps your body actually use the collagen it's getting. Pour it into molds or a dish and chill until firm. What you'll get is a soft, refreshing, and surprisingly powerful snack your body will thank you for. It's easy to digest, so it's perfect even when you're not hungry for heavy meals. Yet inside, it's doing real work, strengthening joints, improving mobility, and giving your skin and tissues the nutrients they need to stay resilient. For anyone over 60 dealing with stiff knees, sore hips, or that creeping sense of weakness, this little gelatin treat can be a game changer. And beyond the benefits, it's something you made yourself with care, purpose, and results you can actually feel every single day. 3. Chicken bone broth bites. Chicken bone broth might sound like just another homemade soup, but the truth is, it's one of the most effective natural tonics you can give your body, especially if you're over 60 and dealing with stiff joints, tingling hands, or legs that don't feel as strong as they once did. This warm, comforting broth is loaded with collagen and the amino acids glycine and proline, key nutrients that help rebuild connective tissues, repair cartilage, and even support nerve recovery. When chicken bones are simmered slowly for several hours, the collagen breaks down into a form your body can easily use. So, this isn't just cozy comfort food, it's genuine nourishment your body can thrive on. The best part is how simple it is to make into a daily snack. You don't need anything fancy. Just use leftover chicken bones, maybe from a roasted chicken or a few wings, and cook them in a pot of water with a splash of vinegar and some chopped veggies like onion, carrot, and celery. Let it simmer low and slow for about 8 hours. Once finished, strain the broth and pour it into jars or bowls. As it cools, it'll thicken into a soft gel, a great sign that your homemade collagen boost is ready. Scoop out a portion, warm it gently, and add a bit of lemon juice and fresh parsley for extra flavor and nutrients. Even half a cup a day can make your joints feel smoother, reduce that stiff, creaky sensation, and make moving easier and less uncomfortable. If you're experiencing weak legs or tingling in your hands, this broth provides the raw materials your body needs to start repairing the tissues responsible for strength and sensation. It's gentle, nourishing, and made from ingredients you probably already have at home. Most importantly, it's a daily ritual of self-care, one small bowl at a time, that helps your body feel stronger, more flexible, and more alive. 4. Cantaloupe mint bites. When it comes to collagen production, most people overlook how essential vitamin C truly is. Without enough of it, your body simply can't form collagen. That's why adding something as simple as cantaloupe to your daily routine can make such a difference, especially if you're over 60 and dealing with joint stiffness or weak legs. Cantaloupe isn't just a refreshing summer treat. It's rich in vitamin C, and a single cup provides about 2/3 of your daily requirement. That one serving helps jumpstart your body's collagen-building process, easing tension and discomfort in your knees, hips, or even your fingers. The beauty of this snack is how quick and enjoyable it is to prepare. Start with ripe, juicy cantaloupe. Cut it into bite-sized cubes that are easy to chew. Perfect if your teeth or gums are a bit sensitive. Squeeze a touch of fresh lime juice on top for an extra burst of flavor and antioxidants. Toss in a few fresh mint leaves to cool and refresh your system. Then, sprinkle chopped pistachios over the top. These nuts bring healthy fats, protein, and fiber that help reduce inflammation and keep joints flexible. The result is a light, refreshing snack that tastes amazing and helps your body restore itself. It keeps you hydrated, supports your immune system, and fuels collagen production, leading to less stiffness, better flexibility, and easier movement. And if you felt your energy or mobility slipping, this simple bowl of cantaloupe with lime and mint can be a small but powerful step toward feeling stronger and more vibrant again. Sometimes little daily changes like adding a single fruit can be what gently guides your body back to balance and vitality. 5. Tomato Capri Salad Snack. Sometimes the simplest foods are the most powerful. Take the humble tomato, a kitchen staple for most of us. What many don't realize is that tomatoes are packed with collagen-up supporting nutrients, especially vitamin C, and a potent antioxidant called lycopene. Vitamin C is vital for your body to make new collagen, while lycopene protects the collagen that's already there, promoting stronger joints, smoother skin, and less inflammation over time. Interestingly, lightly cooking or warming tomatoes actually increases the amount of lycopene your body can absorb. That's why a tomato-based snack paired with healthy fats becomes a true collagen-boosting combo. One of the easiest and most delicious ways to do this is with a Capri-style tomato salad, It's light, fresh, and incredibly good for your joints, nerves, and overall comfort. Especially if you've been noticing stiffness or tingling in your limbs, simply slice up a ripe, juicy tomato and layer it with soft mozzarella or a few cubes of avocado if you prefer a dairy-free option. Then drizzle with a bit of extra virgin olive oil, which helps your body absorb all those antioxidants more efficiently. Finish with a few basil leaves for added flavor and digestive support, and let it rest for a few minutes to blend. The result feels like a dish you'd order at a cafe, but it's doing real healing work inside your body. It hydrates, fights inflammation, and delivers exactly what your tissues need to renew themselves. A simple snack like this, enjoyed regularly, can ease sore joints, improve skin elasticity, and help your body feel stronger overall. It's a small, delicious gesture of self-care, and sometimes that's all you need to start feeling better and moving freely again. 6. Guava Power Yogurt Bowl. Guava might not be the first fruit that pops into your mind when you think of collagen support, but it truly deserves a spot on your list, especially if you're over 60 and dealing with stiff joints, tingling fingers, or legs that feel weak. This tropical fruit is loaded with vitamin C, one of the highest natural sources you can find. In fact, just 100 grams of guava can provide more than 200 milligrams of vitamin C, several times more than an orange. And that matters because vitamin C isn't just beneficial, it's essential. Your body literally can't make collagen without it. So if your intake is low, your joints, nerves, and skin may be paying the price. That ache in your knees, that lack of strength in your legs, or even that tingling sensation in your hands could all be your body's way of asking for more nourishment. That's where guava comes in. When you combine it with protein-rich foods like Greek yogurt, you're not only supplying what your body needs to make collagen, you're also fueling it to rebuild and recover. A guava yogurt bowl is quick to make but powerful in what it delivers. Just chop up some ripe guava and mix it into a bowl of plain Greek yogurt. Add a drizzle of honey for sweetness, a splash of lime juice for extra vitamin C and tang, and sprinkle on some almonds or walnuts for minerals and healthy fats. This snack isn't just refreshing. It's loaded with antioxidants, amino acids, and collagen-supporting nutrients that help reduce inflammation, repair tissue, and improve flexibility. Best of all, it tastes fantastic and is gentle on digestion. It's one of those simple snacks that makes you feel like you're doing something good for yourself, not just now, but for years to come. Every spoonful is a small reminder that healing doesn't have to be complex. It just needs to be consistent, and it can begin with something as simple as guava and yogurt. 7. Kiwi Crunch Snack. Eating just 2 or 3 kiwis a day can flood your system with vitamin C, which plays a major role in collagen formation. Collagen keeps your skin firm, your joints strong, and your nerves supported. That means getting enough vitamin C from fruits like kiwi can help reduce that persistent tingling in your hands or the weakness that sometimes comes with aging. Preparing this snack couldn't be easier. Slice a fresh kiwi and top it with a handful of toasted almonds or walnuts. The nuts give it a satisfying crunch and add healthy fats that aid in tissue repair. For a little twist, try a sprinkle of chili flakes or sea salt. It adds flavor and may even boost circulation and nerve function. What's great about this snack is that it does far more than just help with collagen. It supports digestion, strengthens immunity, and keeps your nervous system in top shape. These are key benefits for anyone over 60. Since our bodies need all the support they can get to stay strong and energetic, making Kiwi Crunch part of your daily routine is a simple, tasty way to fight the symptoms that slow you down and keep you from feeling your best. 8. Pineapple. Nut bites. Pineapple stands out thanks to an enzyme called bromelain. This natural compound works deep within the body to ease inflammation, one of the main causes of stiffness and discomfort in joints and nerves as we age. When bromelain teams up with pineapple's natural vitamin C, it forms a powerful duo that helps your body repair and recover faster. This combination benefits your joints and nerves alike, helping you move more freely and with less pain. The best part, this snack couldn't be simpler, and it tastes amazing. Cut fresh pineapple into chunks and mix them with crunchy macadamia nuts or cashews. The nuts provide protein and healthy fats that help rebuild tissues and keep energy levels steady. For a little extra flavor, add a sprinkle of cinnamon and some fresh mint. Cinnamon helps balance blood sugar and reduce inflammation, while mint soothes digestion. Enjoying these pineapple nut bites regularly can make a real difference in how you feel day to day. Less stiffness, more energy, and overall vitality. This snack isn't just delicious. It's a small but powerful step toward moving easier, feeling stronger, and living better after 60. We've now covered 8 powerful snacks that help your body naturally rebuild collagen: dark chocolate clusters, gelatin fruit nibbles, bone broth bites, cantaloupe mint cubes, tomato mozzarella stacks, guava yogurt bowls, kiwi crunch bites, and pineapple nut chunks. Each one is packed with the nutrients your body truly needs. Especially if you're over 60 and want to regain strength, move freely, and say goodbye to tingling or weakness. Even adding just one of these snacks to your daily routine can give your body the support it needs to start healing and thriving again. If you'd like to keep discovering simple, natural ways to feel better every day, don't miss the next video right here on this channel. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future videos. I'd love to hear from you, so share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.